Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to remove green screen on Canva using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for canva.com. And then just go ahead and log in your account. And once you've done that, just go ahead and choose the size that you want. Okay. So now let's get started on the tutorial. So now you want to click on the upload section at the left side of your screen so that you can upload your image or the green screen. Okay, so click on upload files and choose the photo that you want. Okay, so just go ahead and drag that photo right here. Okay, so you can change the size of it. So now you just want to click on the photo and you can see the edit photo section or option at the upper part of your screen. Okay, so just go ahead and click on that. So now you want to click on, so you want to click on BG remover or background remover. So just need to wait. And now as you can see that the green screen is now removed from your image. Okay, so for example, just want to edit the image that you have, just go ahead and click on the video remover again or the filter option. And now you can just go ahead and choose erase or restore. Okay, so when you click on erase, I'm just going to show you what will happen on the image. So as you can see, it will erase the image. Okay, so now when you click on restore, you can also change the brush size. Now when you click on restore, as you can see, it is restoring the image. Okay, and that's it. That is how you remove green screen on Canva. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.